Communication on digital platform. We have faced a global pandemic recently. During the period, the world has moved to digital communication extensively. In such situations, individuals, institutions, professionals, and others has moved to digital platform to communicate with others. Even after the closure of the lockdown happened during the COVID-19 pandemic, society will decline the relevance of physical interaction and insist on using digital tools for communication, because this corona will persist at least in 2020, and a social distance is very much required to avoid its effect. Digital platform is cost effective, though little cumbersome. However, effective communication can make it interesting through crisp communication. Hence, avoid over communication and repetition. Crisp message along with relevant examples create the miracle in the minds of the listener, and he will spend the time on the net. A saying that अति का भला न बरसना, अति की भली न धूप, अति का भला न बोलना, अति की भली न चुप. The message should be creative. Online communication should be creative and clear, providing some utility benefit to the listener, like he has some overview of the knowledge, have some fun or the other. Simply copy and paste will not work. Simply charts and table making are available in huge forward messages on the social media. Convenient. The message should be convenient to others. While you use different means like email, WhatsApp, and so on to communicate with others, the contents should be convenient, which speaks itself on your behalf. Compassionate. Contact and address the concerns related to the conversations. Be patient while on the talk with others. Our words are like a food, and one should know to serve these words what, when, and how much. One should have the empathy with others. Your words matter a lot. A saying that ऐसी बानी बोलिए मन का आपा खोए, औरों को शीतल करे आपन शीतल होए. थैंक्स. धन्यवाद.